to my channel. So today's video is a back to school makeup tutorial and it's using ALL Drugstore products, so nothing is over $10. It really focuses like on the skin. I did add a wing because in high school I always used to do wing. Yeah, and this may seem like a lot of products or steps for school, but honestly this is something I would use if I was going back to school. In high school I never used this much because we didn't have contour, baking, or highlight when I was in school. But yeah, so if you would like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So the first thing we're going to start off with is our brows, and I'm going to take the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm gonna fill that in with the Maybelline brow powder, and this is like really old. In high school, I used to use just brow powder or eyeshadow to fill in my brows, and it just gives it a more natural look, and I guess like it was just easier to fill in. Now to set the brows, I'm going to take my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. To prime the face, I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So all of my foundations are pretty much from the drugstore. If you're matte, this one's a really good one. I got this one I think from Dollar General, and it was like $3.50, $4. And then of course my favorite is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You can get that at Walmart for like $5 or less. So I think I'm gonna mix these two and apply that. For concealers, these are two really good ones that are like $2, $3. But these are a little too light for me right now, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution, which is like $7, I wanna say. I'm gonna use this one today. To set my under eyes, I usually take my Makeup Revolution baking powder, which is like $7 too, I think. It's really good. It's my favorite. And to set my face, I'm taking one of my favorites from the drugstore. It's the Fit Me powder by Maybelline. We are gonna bronze, and for that, I'm gonna take this one by Profusion. I got it at Five Below. Obviously it was like $5. So I'm gonna take that, and a little goes a long way. Like, it's super pigmented. Take the shade to contour a little bit. For baking, I'm taking, of course, the Airspun powder. And this makeup look probably takes me about 15 minutes. For blush, these are my favorite brands for blushes. The Jordana one is probably my cheapest one. I got it at my local grocery store for like $2.99 or something. So I'm gonna take that. I'm not going to do any shadow, but I'm going to take that bronzer I used. Just going to apply that in my crease. For highlight, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Shimmer Palette. I'm also gonna use that for my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. Once we have the highlight done, I'm gonna go ahead and brush away the powder. I'm just gonna spray my face with my Mari Badescu spray. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking my Essence pencil liner, just tightlining. Curling my lashes, and then I'm gonna apply one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, like $4.99 or maybe cheaper. It's the Essence Lash Princess. Okay, and then just for the lips, I'm gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Rome and just apply some of that so we have a nice little color or tint. Okay. And this completes the look. And if you want, you can go ahead and add a wing liner. I personally always wore wing liner in high school. It was just something I really loved. I didn't wear lashes. Like, I barely started wearing lashes this past year and a half or something. But yeah, so I would always add wing liner. So you can do that if you want, if that's something you like. I'm probably gonna end up adding some right now. This is how it looks with the wing liner. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and this was one of my favorites in high school. Or the Revlon liquid liner, but I don't like the formula on it anymore. But yeah, so that completes the back to school makeup look. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.